When is the last time you closed your eyes and took a deep breath? Feeling the good sensation of spring air. Today, more than ever, it's important to breathe pure and wealthy air in all environments, starting from the domestic ones. That's why Fisheye X has developed Waeev devices, the most innovative and effective air sanitizers, only using the power of nature. These devices are available in every moment of our daily life, home, office, and even in your car. Waeev devices are able to create a pure, natural, pristine environment in the spaces where we live, protecting our health and improving our physical and mental wellness. How? Waeev devices don't just purify air. Using bipolar ionization technology, they are able to release a large number of ions into the environment, same as in a natural and pristine environment, and their effectiveness is scientifically tested. I can control the quality of the air I'm breathing just from my smartphone. It's amazing! The large amount of ions generated by the units allows to have full efficacy not only on the treated air, but also on surfaces. All this technology has been incorporated into one smart and multifunctional device, which is Waeev. 3 devices for each kind of environment. Waeev Smart is the smallest unit for all the small and confined places, such as refrigerator, lockers, cars, campers, and boats. Waeev Fan, with a larger airflow of 100 cubic meter per hour, is perfect for larger places, such as elevators, cars, campers, taxis, or trucks. But is also effective for exploiting the airflow of existing fans and HVAC units. Waeev Tabletop, with its capability to treat 160 cubic meter of air per hour, is either ideal for personal or area protection. It can be used in the office or in the bathroom or in the kitchen. Its versatile installation on a wall or pending from ceiling allows unlimited opportunities for using it. Waeev devices not only improve the quality of the air surrounding us, they also have several useful features, making it even more easy to use it for a better living. Intelligent sensors allow Waeev devices to constantly monitor the quality of the environment and advise us about anomalies, such as detecting spoiled food in the fridge. Status of your living environment should always be available on your smartphone, tablet, or PC. Sensors can detect people's presence, noise, light changes, and then activate the unit or sending alarms to advise you wherever you are. You can use the app to build your own way to use it, either as a burglar alarm, a baby monitor device, or just activating when needed. Just to recap, Waeev devices not only improve the quality of our environment, but also keep our surfaces clean through bipolar ionization and the patented technology. It uses a 100% natural and green process. No chemicals are used. They are smart because they are able to recognize situations and activate scenarios in accordance with your needs. They constantly monitor temperature, humidity, air pressure, CO2, and VOC level, and therefore the level of air quality, and send the data to your smartphone. Multiple devices in your home or office can be managed from the app simultaneously. Units can be remotely upgraded to be kept constantly up to date. They can also perfectly fit into your home automation system, like Alexa, HomeKit, and Google Home. So why don't we already have at least one at home? Our goal is to create solutions to use and exploit energy in full respect with the environment, to improve our quality of life and our wellness at all levels. And here you come into play. With your help, we'll just be one step away to having the largest amount of people to benefit from Waeev technology and improve your well-being. We need your trust and your support now to complete our production phase, reducing manufacturing costs and making Waeev devices available to the largest amount of people worldwide. Our aim with this crowdfunding platform is to share our enthusiasm and our view, changing rules and making a better life in a healthier environment, just using the power of the pristine nature. Alexa, make my room healthier.
Okay, it's time to change the air.